What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. And may guest tayo sa baba. Sino yan? Sino yung guest natin dyan sa baba? We got KQ. Sobrang random actually. He's been actually sakto available na si KQ to appear on the podcast. Really hard to get to reach to him kasi dire-diretso yung nangyayari kay Kevin lately.
Yeah.
After Lasal, he immediately left to go to the KBL. So dire-diretso, life has been on the fast track for KQ. Tapos we got news about
Si
his
NBA.
decision to
Yeah.
try and train for the NBA Summer League in hopes, 'di ba, na makapasok siya in a
Yeah.
team. And pero before that, KQ, kamusta? Nice to have you here on the podcast. 1 year after, 1 year later.
Hi
One year.
Nico, hi Mario.
What's up?
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you guys. It was a long year for me. Tough year dahil ayun nga. First of all, UAAP talo
Mm,
finals, sobrang sakit para sa akin. And then going to Korea in the middle of the season, then we are losing so much.
Mhm.
So because of the injuries happens, all the
mm.
dramas on our team. So ayun, it was a memorable, nonetheless super blessed for me dahil ayun nga, basketball for a living pa din.
Yeah. Bro, kamusta yung Korea? I think you're the pang ilang talent ka na nung lumipat ng Korea. Sixth, seventh talent or something like that. Kamusta naman? I think out of all of the people who have moved to Korea, you have the biggest role. When I watched Goyang, if
Yeah.
when I watched Goyang, ikaw yung may pinakamalaking role. So kamusta naman there in Korea? How was your time in Korea naman?
Mm.
First of all, when I signed with Tono Goyang, it was the previous coach.
Oh,
So,
Oh.
yung
si
na-fire lately, 'di ba? Like he
yeah,
was just
na-fire siya lately, and
oh.
then pagdating ko sa Korea is like parang si Coach Topics lang yung coach namin sa Korea. It's like more on players coach, more on
Mm,
relationship. But yeah, ayun nga, right away binigyan niya ako ng bigger role sa team.
exactly.
Especially the number 6 namin si Lee Jong Yun is injured that time.
Mhm.
Yung star guard sa Korea. So, pagdating ko, super excited to play, super adrenaline, and then I got
Mm.
injured.
You got injured, yeah, yun nga eh.
Yep. So, after that, ayun, medyo humupa na yung excitement ko. So, parang naging normal ang lahat.
Normalize, yeah.
Nag-go with the flow lang ako. And then, yeah, pagbalik ko against Anyang right away, Kalahavi versus Havi,
Mhm.
ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy na. And then, ayun na, end up lang na puro lose kami na lost all, like, half of the games I played. So, yeah.
I think I
Pero ano
could.
naman,
Yeah, go ahead.
better opportunity naman for me dahil nakita ko ano pa yung weaknesses ko pagdating sa professional level.
Mhm. Uh, in general, gaano ka different yung game right now sa Korea sa Philippine game? Obviously, you
Oh,
came from
based
the
on
UAAP,
oh.
tapos lumipat ka ng
Ah,
Korea. So, kamusta naman yung adjustment mo doon? I'm
yeah.
sure it's hard.
Agad-agad no? 1 week,
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 weeks, ano siya left agad.
Ah, First of all, mga Korean players, sobrang grabe yung work ethic.
Ah, really?
Mm.
Like,
Epic.
like, for example, for our team, we have a 4 p.m. practice.
Okay.
So, 7 a.m. nag-extra work na yan sila. Shooting, weights, and then quick lunch lang sabay babalik sila, mag-shooting ulit. Grabe nga, parang robot nga sila kung tutuusin. And then, sa team-wise, spe- most most of our players sa mga is like underrated players. So we
Okay.
have wala kaming team na pieces kumbaga in general.
So parang rebuilding team kayo. Parang if they describe in NBA terms, oh, we're like a rebuilding team na naghahanap pa ng pyesa to form the core if
Yeah.
ever, parang ganun.
In terms of pyesa kasi
Injured lang eh.
like all of the majorities ng players namin is handpicked by the previous coach.
Okay.
Ah.
So when yung bagong coach na yung bagong coach na yung dumating na fire ulit ngayon. May bago
Oh,
kaming coach ulit.
na-fire ulit
Talaga ba?
na-fire yung bago.
Yes, na fire yung bago. So
Sorry,
may
1 week lang siya nandun?
no, so ano lang siya doon, December until itong April. So,
Ah, okay,
five
okay.
months.
5 months, around 5 months, yeah.
Yeah. So, the first coach was October to November after the
Okay.
incident. And
Mhm.
then the second coach, December to April.
Okay.
Uh, sobrang sad lang ako para sa kanya dahil wala siyang ano eh. Kumbaga, yung full of season, wala siya nun. Kumbaga, pumunta siya sa team in the middle of the season din. So,
Mhm.
he never had the chance to implement his system.
Mhm.
So, in Korea, I think yung pagkakaiba lang nila dito sa Pilipinas is the way they treat basketball. Like, super focus sila into basketball, super focus sila into details, super focus sila sa lahat ng maliliit na detalye. So, sa tingin ko, for me, as a player, yun yung hinahanap ko eh. Kumbaga, ito yung mga details to improve more for me and kung anong better for the team. And then sa basketball naman, dito sa Philippines, alam niyo naman, physical tayo lahat
Physical, yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
physical
dito.
tayo dito. More on
So,
physicality ka.
one thing lang na gusto ko i-share is, pag mataas yung IQ mo sa basketball sa Korea is mag-ano ka, mag-excel ka. Like sila JD, sila Carl, all of those
Yeah.
Filipino players, like they know how to play basketball, like physical, yung labang
Yeah,
labas, labang
Mm.
kalye. Kumbaga
yeah.
pagka pinasok mo doon sa KBL, kumbaga mabibigla sila, culture shock sila. Imbis na ikaw
Ah.
yung culture shock sa kanila, sila yung culture shock sa'yo. So when I got to play the first few games ko, like ang ganda na nila ko. So
Oo.
nabigla lang din ako. So, ayun lang.
Kamusta yung communication mo sa mga teammates mo? Like, 'di ba, mga Koreans ba? Kamusta yung English nila? Like, was it easy for you na yung pag-communicate mo with them, especially sa basketball court? And do you do yung parang yung nakipag-hangout ka sa kanila with them outside the court na, okay, dinner tayo, kakausapin ko to para, 'di ba, maayos yung chemistry namin. Paano yung situation mo nun?
May ano kami, may nag-handle na coach sa amin na Korean na ano siya. Magaling mag-English.
Ah, translator. May translator.
May
Oo.
translator kami. And then, yeah, if may gusto akong player na gusto akong maka-hangout, kumain kami sa labas, like after practice, punta sa ganito, sa ganyan, usap about basketball, about buhay. Ayun, sinasama ko lang lagi yung translator
I see.
and
Ah, may
then
kasama okay, ah.
and then ayun, lagi kami magkakasama nila DJ Burns and Alan
I was gonna
Williams.
ask. I was gonna ask.
Yup.
Kasi
Go.
Yup.
yung DJ Burns, ano, di ba siya yung medyo Cinderella story nung 2 years,
Yeah,
3 years ago? Yan siya
March
yun, di ba?
Madness legend.
Yun nga, si
March
March
Madness.
Madness legend. Yeah, di ba, teammates with, you guys were with, di ba? Alan Williams, tama ba?
Yes, Alan Williams, the
Yeah, Alan
former Phoenix
Williams. So,
Suns.
kamusta naman yung sila? I think they have the most experience in the US. Syempre, both of them
Mhm.
played. I think Alan came from New Zealand, tapos si um,
Australia,
Australia,
Australia
yeah,
pa.
sa
Australia.
Southeast Melbourne,
Yeah,
SEM.
yeah, he played for Sam. So ayun, did they tell you any stories or did they what did you learn from them? Because syempre, they're also trying to get back to the NBA. They're trying to
And then
make it
napansin ko
big
rin
in the
sobrang
league.
close ni KQ kay DJ Burns. Parang
DJ Burns,
tinatag
yeah.
sa stories niya. Bakit nga? Paano ba kayo how did
Yeah.
you guys find that connection immediately?
Ah, First of all, nung after no UAAP ko,
Okay.
finalo ko si DJ and then may group chat kami ng mga imports.
Okay, ah.
So,
Agad-agad, ah.
ayun, doon nagsimula. And then, crazy story was, si DJ Burns yung sinabi niya sa akin na siya yung pioneer ng NIL sa college basketball in US.
Oh, okay.
So, siya yung first batch ng NIL.
Yeah.
So, grabe yung NIL ngayon sa States.
States,
So,
yeah.
Mm.
yeah, sobrang grabe. Crazy.
Yeah.
And then, Alan Williams is a type of guy na super tahimik outside the court, but on the court, the game speaks itself first para sa kanya.
Bro,
Then,
laki niya eh. Bro.
grabe.
Laki. Laki
Si,
tao niya.
Bantay mo ba yun?
si,
Binabantay mo ba yun sa practice?
ah, dumating kasi ako in the middle of the season, so wala kaming practice na
Ah,
scrimmage,
oo.
walang
Okay.
ganyan. So, puro ano
Hmm.
lang kami, puro type of plays ng kalaban lang kami, scouting, all
Ganun pala
ganun
sa
details.
KBL.
So,
Iba.
mm. Pero nung
I,
nagkaroon lang kami ng one scrimmage lang pero magkakampi pa kami. Isa lang.
mm,
Okay.
In the whole stay ko sa Sono, isang scrimmage lang for the whole season na experience ko. But when you're around with these guys Alan Williams, DJ Burns, iba yung mentality na binibigay nila, iba yung aura ba, yung finesse
I
on
see.
the
I
court.
see.
Like si Alan Williams, lagi niya akong pinapayuhan, lagi niya every time off the court na ayun nga may potential daw ako sa mas
So
bigger legs, so mga ganyan ko ano pa yung kailangan kong detail. And one thing na lagi niyang pinapayo sa akin is panoorin ko lang si Devin Booker dahil close friend niya
Devin
si Devin
Booker.
Booker. Super close
talaga?
friend niya. And
Sure,
then
okay ah.
may time na nag-dinner kami sa Korea na kung gusto ko daw makausap si Devin Booker, tinawagan niya through FaceTime. So,
Oh,
super
so
cool.
nakausap
Nakausap mo
mo?
siya?
Nakausap ko siya.
Oh, kamusta?
Damn.
Like,
What's up
ano,
lang?
ano yung, what's up lang? Okay, what's up,
Sab lang,
man?
sab lang.
What's up lang? And then, good luck lang siya. And then, yeah, stay healthy daw. So,
That's
super
solid, eh?
interesting for me.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, Genu, okay. I'm gonna ask this question kind of so obviously you left DLSU right now, like what, 5, 6 months ago, diba? After the finals.
Yep.
Were there any thoughts of coming back to DLSU? Like, were there any genuine thoughts of going back to DLSU for one more year? Or alam mo,
Ah,
Korea ka na?
na, I think very hard decision for me na
Mm.
inano ko to na tinake ko tong path na to na papuntang Korea. It's like it's like leaving your families here. Sobrang hirap. Aalis ka malayo ka sa pamilya mo, malayo ka sa baby mo. Especially yung baby ko,
Right.
7 months old pa lang. So,
Mm.
ito yata yung pinakamahirap na desisyon na ginawa ko sa entire na buhay ko. And then, ayun parang 10% chance na lang na gusto kong bumalik sa Lasal dahil I want give, ano, to give opportunities for others like Mason, like Luis Pablo.
Mm.
Uh, gusto ko silang mag-shine sila. So, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na mag-fit in ako kasama sila dahil ayun nga, more on magpo-focus sa akin si Coach Topex. I know naman na ayoko naman ng ganun. Selfless kasi ako gusto ko i-contribute lahat. So
Agree.
gusto ko lahat ng teammates ko nagsishine every time on and off the court. So kaya ayun yung dahilan na gusto ko man na gusto ko man na makakampi si Kian Baklaan, yung long time friend
Yeah,
ko na
exactly.
kababata ko.
Parang
Pero
tinitis nyo pa nga eh. Parang, makita ko kaya to. Makita ko kaya si KQ and the
pero
KB, but yeah.
wala talaga ganun talaga. Pero so pinapakita naman nila ngayong off-season, super great sila. And then,
I was gonna say. I was gonna say. What
nashock lang ako dahil hindi ko alam yung kay Raven Gonzalez na movie.
Oh,
I
yun yung
mean,
parang hindi ka nagulat ka na, parang
I
hindi ko
mean,
to alam.
super clueless ako dun. Wala talaga akong alam. And
Walang
then,
alam.
nung nakita ko yung news, tinawagan ko agad si Raven. And then, yeah, yun talaga. Move on na.
I see. Bro, okay. I want to go back to the last game. Kasi honestly, onti lang yung uh, you've been a very busy guy, diba? So
Yep.
not many people have been able to talk to you. So I think we want to ask this question. In that last game, game three, close game, natanggal ka for the last, what,
4 minutes,
5. Oh, he knows it. See, he knows. He
Nasa
knows.
utak niya,
Alam niya,
it's in
alam
my
niya.
mind.
Yung 4
Memorize niya.
minutes.
4.
Oh, alam niya. What was the feeling? Or what did you feel in that moment? Or what did you want to have changed? How would it go?
Kung ibabalik ko lang yung time, I think, dapat sinigawan ko na yung mga teammates ko
Ah,
na pumaul kayo. Dahil,
okay.
when that time na nilabas ako ni Coach Topex, sinabihan ako na like 30 seconds, 1 minute rest.
Okay.
So, sabi ko, okay, coach. And then, after that, no stoppage,
Exactly.
walang,
Dire-diretso yun. Yeah.
walang sumisenya sa bench namin na fumaul. Miski ako, like, di ko na alam yung gagawin ko eh. Tahimik na lang ako doon sa scores table eh. So, after that, yung final buzzer, walang regrets sa akin. No regrets, no hard feelings kay Coach Topex, kay Coach Mon. Actually, Coach Mon Jose, like, siya yung gusto magpahinga ako eh. Like si Coach Mon
Mm.
Jose.
Mhm.
And then, all of the coaching staff, like, gusto kong pagpahinga ng 1 minuto lang. And then, after the game, sinabihan ko sila na no worries, walang problema sa akin. Talo is talo, no pointing fingers, walang ibe-blame
Mm.
sa talon to. Kung meron na ibe-blame tayong lahat yan, sama-sama nating tanggapin tong talo na to. So, ayun lang, nonetheless, sobrang taas ng respeto ko sa whole coaching staff, kay Coach Topex, whole management. Kahit na ganun yung nangyari sa amin, I think mas importante sa amin yung life after college basketball eh.
Yeah.
Like, yung relationship
Mm.
namin na 10 years from now na ano yung maaalala mo sa gantong moment. Pero,
Actually.
ayun nga, natalo nga kami, pero ang maganda doon is may opportunity sila na ma-reclaim yung throne. May opportunity ako na
Oh, definitely.
mag-shine this sa
Mm.
professional. Like, yeah.
Exactly. That's a good, actually, that's a nice thing to hear. Kasi in that moment talaga, I think many people were questioning it. So, I think it's nice to hear on your end na ano, you understand everything that happened or parang wala kang regrets no matter what
Yeah.
happened in that
Yeah,
moment.
and then I saw sa social media a lot of people blaming Coach Topex for that move. But yeah, I feel bad for Coach Topex. Pero wala eh. Ganun talaga. Basketball is basketball.
Basketball.
Yeah,
Bilang
Yeah.
that's all.
nagbola, yun
What
na yun.
can you do?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Right after naman yan. Wala. Tropa-tropa na.
Ah,
Okay na.
exactly.
Okay lang
Yeah.
yan. Like,
Pero
sa
pa ako
loob
naman
lang
ng
ng
mga
court
UP
yan.
boys, di ba?
Oo, tropa ko
Yeah,
naman.
yeah,
Yeah.
Oh,
exactly.
speaking of the UP boys, kamusta yung ano, yung mga matchup mo with Carl and JD?
Happy.
Nag-hangout ba kayo?
Happy.
Yeah, Navi, like kamusta yun? Did you guys have dinner the day before the games? Nakikita ba kayo? And after, paano yun? Like for you guys, na mga ating mga
Uh,
Filipino hoopers na OFWs.
Oh.
uh, I think once in a while lang kami magkakasama-sama
Mm.
dahil ayun nga, first of all, yung schedule namin is like NBA type schedule.
Higpit. Lipat,
Like
lipat.
Actually, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
like like after the game, pagka away games kayo, uwi na kagad kayo sa
Uwi na agad.
home base nyo. Like pagka pupunta ka kala Carl, 5 hours away sa amin.
Dayo.
And then JD, an hour away. Dahil yung Goyang, ayun na yun eh. Like second city na katabi ng North Korea. So
Seryoso,
yeah,
ganun kalapit
that's
kayo sa
a,
North Korea.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
ganun kami kalapit. And then sila Carl, sila Calvin Epistola, sila yung like South Boys. Like
I
Busan,
see, I
Changwon.
see. I
Like
see, I see.
sila JD, Javi, Juan, sila yung nasa Metro, Seoul Metro, like sa
Ah,
city
talagang
sila.
Yes.
metro talaga sila.
Oo nga pala,
Yeah.
andyan nga pala si Juan. SK nga pala yun. Kind of forgot
Mm.
about that. Not good on
Like
that.
SJ, South Boys din yan. Like
Yun
sa
si SJ.
Kogas,
Yeah, yeah,
sa
yeah.
Daegu.
Yeah.
And ayun, nag-hangout na kami nila Juan after the season.
Okay.
Like, ay lang yung chance na magkaroon kami magkasama. Pero sila Carl, JD, wala dahil, ayun nga, playoff team sila. Like, kailangan kasi, mandatory na kasama ka sa team bus. Hindi ka pwedeng
Oo,
miwalay.
syempre. Sila pa yung
Like,
import, ano?
ganun.
Alaman sila yung papa,
Yeah.
di ba, like, biglang
Mm.
bibitaw. Eh, bagong dating lang din. So,
Oo,
baka pangit tignan.
yeah. Ayoko na may masabi
Yeah,
yung mga Korean na coaches, Korean players. Like, makikisama ka para sa
yeah,
kanila.
For
exactly.
sure.
Pero, when do you go back to Korea? Kasi,
Ah,
right now, kasi medyo mabilis lang yung
mm,
off-season
mm.
nila eh. Diba? I think it's like a
Ah,
3 month off-season lang.
sa amin, binigyan kami ng 60 days rest. So,
6 2 months.
babalik ako ng June 9 nun, pero depends pa dahil, ayun nga, may other plans ako na incoming for me.
Exactly.
And
That's a perfect, ano,
then,
Perfect
yeah.
time. Perfect way
perfect
to ask this
segue.
question, man.
Perfect segue.
Ito yung una kong
Yes.
question, bro. O, how did this how did this start? How did the thought of trying for the NBA Summer League start? Obviously, man, laking bagay nun. Obviously, not everybody has the guts. Not everybody has the courage to take that step. So what was the thought process going into this?
And kailan
Ah,
pumasok yan? Kailan pumasok sa
Yeah.
mind mo na, why not try?
ah, first first time na pumasok sa isip ko to is last year. Like when I was playing in Dubai for Strong Group Athletics.
Ah,
Mm.
yeah.
Like with Dwight Howard, Andre Robertson. like sinabihan nila ako na why not try the NBA, try the most popular league in the
Mm.
whole world. So, ayun, doon nagkaroon ng spark sa bumbilya
Utak
ko
mo.
na
Parang
o
bakit naman
na
ano?
na o nga na why not? Pero
Oo.
ayun nga, sabi ko naman wala namang masama mag-try. Pero at that time kasi last year, I was committed sa DLSU.
Yeah.
Tama.
So
Tama.
so for me naman, I don't want to burn bridges with all those people na nakasaround sa
Tama.
DLSU. So I think na sinabihan ko sila na I think I need to pass up muna dito sa NBA dahil ayaw nga na masira yung relationship ko for all those
May
guys.
duty ka for Lasal, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang you owe
Yeah.
them, parang ganun.
Yeah, kasi for me, relationship matters eh. Kumbaga, dadali mo buong buhay mo yung kung ano yung relasyon mo sa lahat
Tama.
ng mga tao. So,
Tama.
when the time na ayoko man na i-cancel yun, ayoko man na baliwala yung NBA dream ko last year, ginawa ko for the sake na for the love of the school, for the love for the school, for
Yeah.
the love of those people. So, yeah, and then na-bring up ulit siya last few months when I came in Korea.
Okay.
Like,
Mga January,
yeah,
ganun.
when I met Alan Williams naman, like nung nag-ano ako nung na twice ako na magandang game against KCC, the 18 assist, and then
Oh yeah, oo nga pala.
the comeback win against Ethan Alvano sa DB, the 31
Oo.
points na why not try the NBA? Sabay sinabi ko sa kanya na same thing kayo na sinabi sa akin ni Dwight Howard. Like, pares na pares kayo. And then, yeah, sabi niya, try niya daw yung mga connections niya, kakilala niya sa NBA to, like, check up on me.
Oh, that's
And
nice,
then,
bro.
and then, yeah. And then,
Future Hall of
ito nga,
Famer yan, Dwight Howard. Di ba? Future Hall of
Bro.
Famer
yeah.
yan, di ba?
And then, yeah,
Oh.
ayun, yung guts na, kumbaga, uminit yung apoy sa sarili ko na kayang-kaya ko to. Last year, last year sana was the perfect timing for me dahil 23 lang ako, turning 23 lang ako
Mm.
last year. So, ang dami nagsasabi ngayon na like 24 years old, overage, but
Nah, it's
like
fine.
But who cares,
kasi,
right?
Who
I'll just
cares?
join.
like all of those NBA guys, NBA scouts, like they're looking like the 17 years old from Europe's, like
Yeah,
Asia,
Yeah.
like
ganun.
ganun na yung type na gusto nila eh.
Mm.
So for me, sinabi ko nga sa post ko, a slim chance better than no chance. So yeah.
I love that, by the way. It's
Yep.
fire.
Sobrang
Yep.
quote-worthy nun. Lagyan
Literal
sa
bars,
t-shirt nun.
dude.
Yep.
Literal bars. Pero, bro, how is that feeling? Ano yung feeling nun? Kasi, honestly, an NBA player like Dwight Howard telling you na, uy, pare, kaya mo yan. Andre Blatch was in the league for almost 10 years also sabi niya, uy, kaya mo yan. Andre
Robertson din, di ba?
Robertson also,
Silang
Alan
tatlo.
Williams, DJ Burns, even an NCAA ban. Like, ano yung feeling na yun? I'm assuming ever since you were young, this has always been the dream. 'Di ba? So, ano yung feeling na talagang people believe, even these former NBA players believe na kaya mo yun?
It's a great honor for me like na masabihan ako ng ganon galing sa kanila dahil sila yung may experience sa leagues eh. Sa
Exactly.
NBA, sila yung alam nila kung how NBA runs eh. Kumbaga kung ano yung takbo sa NBA, ano yung type setup nito, lahat ng teams like ganon. So, I think sinabihan ako nilang ganon like super add ng kumpiyansa sa akin. Like pinataas nila yung moral ko, pinataas nila yung sarili ko na kaya-kaya ko to. But, yeah, pag gusto mo makapasok ka sa NBA, kailangan mo ng connections eh, from NBA agents. So, luckily, I got one. So, yeah.
Exactly. So, I don't know if I'm allowed to ask this, pero tatanungin ko pa rin.
Pwede naman i-cut eh. Sasabihin naman sa
Yeah,
akin
pwede
ni
ko,
KQ,
yeah.
Nico, cut mo, cut mo.
If gusto mo ipakat, man, let him know naman.
Oo,
Pero,
sabihin mo lang ako, alam naman ni KQ yan.
yeah, pero, what's next now? Like, what's the literal next step?
Mm.
Yeah, sige, wag mo ikakat to.
Yeah, wag. So,
Hindi.
okay.
Yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang to.
Making
Tuloy-tuloy.
sure lang.
Yeah, first of all, kaya ako pupunta sa States is for development sa sarili ko.
Okay.
Like, gusto ko mag-gain ng experience, gusto ko matry ko ano yung meron doon, kung anong klaseng training, kung anong klaseng facilities, kung anong klaseng development yung pwede ko pang i-improve sa sarili ko. So, yeah, I think NBA is the dream of all people like everywhere in the world.
Oh, for
Like
sure.
isa ako sa mga bilyon-bilyon na nangangarap para sa makapasok sa NBA. And then yeah, and then second purpose nito is like kung ma-develop ako doon sa NBA, like yung market ko tataasin. Like
Yeah.
all of those Asia teams, all of those
Gets,
Australian teams
gets.
Oh,
will
personal
be
brand mo. Oh.
like yeah, the personal use, personal brand, and lang. So, and then third nito is like wala, try ko lang. Wala namang masama mag-try. Wala namang Umaga, di ako matatalo dito pag nag-try ako eh. Walang talo sa pagtatry ko na to. So,
Mm.
then, yeah, after this, mag-training muna ako sa States, right? After nun, if may kumuwang NBA teams. Pero may NBA workouts na ako and then, pero hindi ko muna sasabihin yung teams.
Yun na,
Ano
wag mo na.
muna,
Pero,
Pero
go
meron?
to,
wait. So,
like,
meron kang NBA workouts, pero hindi mo muna share what teams. But you have
But
something
there
lined up.
are.
yeah, like,
Oh,
Oh,
four or five teams. Pero,
4 or 5 teams. Love
hey
it.
yeah.
man, first of all, I want to say congrats.
Congrats.
Dun pa lang
Just for
pare,
the,
ang laking
yeah.
bagay na nun, man. Not many people are able to reach that point sa Philippines, so it's kind of really exciting, no?
KQ got
Yes.
a question from mga fans na online. No? One of them asked na considering the size of competition in the US, anong position do you want to play there? Kasi iba na, it changes everything. If you're gonna go for the NBA, you will have to play a different position how you're being used in the KBL. Diba? Or same lang.
Yes,
What do
No,
you
no, no,
how
no. Kasi, first of all, yung gameplay ko sa Asia is like more on point forward, like do it all. Pero if sabi nga ng NBA agent ko, if you want
mm,
to play in the NBA, you have a like specific role lang. Dahil sa NBA, lahat ng all of the players may kanya-kanya na, all of the teams may kumbaga may pieces na dun eh. Lahat ano na lang yan eh, pagalingan na dun eh. Then yeah, I want to play shooting guard like
shooting guard?
yung nilaro ko sa SGA last year,
SJ.
like gano.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi ano lang, tinry lang naman kasi namin ni Coach Charles yun na mag-shooting guard ako kung mag-fit in ba ako na ganito, ganyan. So, yeah, nakitaan nga ako nila Coach Brian Gurjan na may capability akong labarin yung role na yun. So, may mga tendencies or weaknesses lang na sinabi sa akin na winner on ko this last summer. So, yeah. And,
Bro, genuine question. Did you ever think na aabot ka sa point na to? Like,
Mm.
honestly, did you ever think na aabot ka sa point na you actually have a workout with an NBA team, you're being scouted by NBA GMs, you're being told by NBA players na kayang-kaya mo? Did that ever really, obviously people will say na it's a dream, pero talagang may mga dreams na alam mo hindi mo makakamit eh. Alam
Dream
mo
lang
yun?
talaga.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Umaga, nawala,
Yeah, as in,
umaga
talagang
point mo
wala ka
lang.
talaga dyan.
Ako,
Oh,
pwede
Oh,
kami
alam mo yun?
mag-dream ni Mario, pero dream lang
Oh,
talaga. Yun ang
na-dream ko
panaginip
rin yan.
namin dalawa.
yung
Na-dream ko
ilalagay mo
rin
lang
yan.
sa taas ng ceiling mo na,
Oh, yun lang
lang.
eh.
Oo,
Oh,
yun yun.
ganun lang.
Oo, legit. Pero ito, did you ever think na aabot ka talaga dito sa point na to?
Oo.
To be honest, no. Dahil, ayun nga, for me, galing sa wala, galing sa barangay leagues. Sino ba naman ako para mag-try sa NBA, right?
Yeah.
Like, at that point na, bakit bakit ka naglalaro ng basketball dito sa Pilipinas? Kumbaga hanggang dito lang naman ako sa Pilipinas eh. Like nung time na bata ako eh. Like yung dream ko lang naman is to play PBA last nung bata ako na ganun lang yung pinaka endpoint goal ko.
Exactly.
And then nung growing up, doon ako naging familiar sa NBA. So, ayun, it's a blessed opportunity for me. Like this once in a moment lifetime, like this is make it or break it. Like if hindi man ako mawa sa NBA, yeah, gain experience, learning experience for me. If makuha naman ako, yeah, I will
Di
represent
great,
Philippines
di
with
ba?
pride and passion. Yeah.
Exactly. Bro, on random, this is another question. Actually, I had told a few friends kasi na I'm gonna be doing this with you kasi na-excite ako, syempre. They had me ask you this question of in terms of the Gilas program, I think may upcoming window, 'di ba? Or parang may palapit
Asia
na
Cup, Asia Cup, FIBA
Asia
Asia
Cup,
Cup.
ayun.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be there or will you be fully focused on uh going for the NBA prospect?
Yes, lalaro ako sa Gilas dahil I think August naman yung tournament. Then the Summer League will take July 10 to 20.
Abot
So,
nga.
yeah,
Abot nga,
may
abot
time
nga.
ako. Parang yung nangyari lang kay Kyle last year na
Umabot.
umabot siya sa Gilas like 2 days late nga lang.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. I think I
ganun,
remember
yeah.
that. I think I remember
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, I'm
Okay, so
fully
abot
committed
ka.
sa Gilas since Coach Tim Con take over the coaching position. Uh, Sinabihan ko siya na I'm fully committed sa Gilas. Kahit kahit anong liga yan, kahit saang ano. Basta I represent kay Philippines and I'm one of the blessed players here in the Philippines to represent our country.
Pero before that, in the previous one, di ba hindi ka nakalaro kasi injured ka nun? Tama ba?
I don't think he was there.
I was there,
Sorry, I'm kind of forgetful. If I'm being honest.
but the versus Chinese Taipei, DNP, and then against New Zealand, like 10 minutes.
Mhm.
Yeah, but I think ayun naman yung ide-defend ko lang na, total, nandito na din tayo sa question na to.
Mm.
Ide-defend ko lang din si Coach Tim Con sa lahat ng
Mhm.
bashers. Like,
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
Inunahan niya ako.
Like,
Okay, okay.
nakikita ko sa social media na bakit Coach Tim, bakit din mo ginagamit si KQ, bakit
Mm.
DNP si KQ, ito yung sinasayang mo Coach Tim. Like, first of all, Coach Tim is a super great coach here in the Philippines. Alam mo naman yan na siya yung winningest coach ngayon sa PBA. Then, yung trust ko sa kanya is like buong buo, 1,000% na manalo matalo, I will play for him, for the country. And then, kung gamitin man ako, great. Kung hindi man ako gamitin, great pa din. May matututunan ako doon.
Yeah.
Like, ang dami nangangarap na makakuha ng spot sa Gilas. Like, maabot yung dream nila na makapaglaro sa Pilipinas. Nandito na ako eh. Kumbaga, bakit ko pa sasayangin to? Kung ipasok ako, 100% lalabayin ko yung pinaka-very best ko. Kung hindi man ako, yun, mag-cheer ako sa teammates ko, kung ano yung pwede ko matulong as a supporter sa bench. Like, yeah, tagapasa kay JB sa halftime, shooting, sa ganun.
Mhm.
So, may mga natututunan ako sa mga ganun. And then, yeah, Coach Tim, alam niyo naman, if since na tinake over niyo yung coaching position, like, good things happen. Like, may bound to bound to greatness, parang ganun.
Yeah. I see. Okay. Actually, that's a good thing that you brought that up. I mean, that's a good thing that you clarified that. Kasi, admittedly, noong times din, pati kami ni Nico nag-question kami kung ba't di ka ginagamit. May mga times din na we see the posts online na ang namin nagtatanong of how, why is KQ not being used as much as he should be, ganun. So,
Yep.
medyo maganda naman na clarify mo yun for everybody watching. Nico, do you have any more questions? I'm kind of good na, but I'm
Ako
pretty
may
sure.
last from TikTok again. Kung naggano ako, gumawa ako ng got the best question sa TikTok, no. KQ from Joshua. Sino ang pinakagusto mo to play with and compete against sa NBA? So first teammate, a player or a team that you like to play with or play teammate, a player, teammate or compete against.
Favorite teammate to play with,
Mm.
I think if Alan Williams na makabalik siya
Kasi
sa NBA.
kasi may
Pero,
banda kayo.
yeah,
Okay,
pero,
so
ayun nga, sinabi nga natin na kung makangarap ka, taasan mo na lang din. Why not na
oh.
gusto ko makakampi si Nikola Jokic? Why not, di ba?
Idol mo pa
Okay,
rin hanggang
okay.
ngayon. Till this day, idol mo pa rin si
Yeah,
Nikola
until this
Jokic.
day. Yeah. And then,
Mm.
Di ba
gusto ko,
1-0 na?
gusto ko makalaban, I think si LeBron or Steph. Like,
LeBron. LeBron or
Like,
Steph. Woo!
if magkaroon ako ng opportunity na, like, mabantayan sila or makalaro sila, like, super, ano na sa akin. I think, di na ako makakatulog dyan mga 2 buwan siguro. Pag nangyayari yun,
Ikaw
hindi
yung
na ako
hahabol kay
makakatulog.
Steph sa lahat ng screen.
Oo.
Ikaw yung
Parang
pinapahabol.
yung parang kay Daly dati na,
Oo.
oh,
Kay Delly. Ikaw si
ganun
Delly.
ang role.
Oo.
Nasan si Keiko? Yun, nasa ice bath. Nagpapano pa rin.
Pagod na siya, men.
Ayun, pinagna-load management na ako. 48 minutes kung binabantay si Steph. Ganun ba?
Sasabihin sa'yo ni Coach Migs ito na huwag ka muna mag-workout ng 1 buwan ha. Katawan mo, medyo bugbog eh.
Anyway, man.
Yeah.
Actually, wala na akong questions. Pero, I think the last thing, I think this is like my kind of last question. I don't know if Nico has anymore. Pero yung sa akin lang is, for everybody watching this now, syempre, honestly, like I said, busy man ka. You don't talk to many people. So, medyo on
Gulat nga
our
ako eh.
end. Yeah, medyo
He's available.
yeah, so medyo privileged on our end that we were able to talk to you. One of the first people you talked to. So first of all, thank you for that. Tapos yung second is, what do you want to tell all your supporters out there who haven't heard from you in a while, and the rest of the Filipino people, if you want to ask them for support or whatever, what do you want to say?
Yeah, first of all, thank you for the support. Like, through thick and thin, like, nandiyan kayo, like, nung time nung injury ako, ang daming nag-message sa akin na, cheer up, kaya mo yan. And then, ayun, super thank you. And then, kumbaga, kung mangangarap kayo, ayun nga, sinabi kong ataasan nyo lang din and lagyan nyo ng sipag at tiyaga. Dahil, alam ko, hindi to madali yung pagdadaanan ko ngayon. Super, super slim nung chance ko, pero gagawin ko yung best ko na to be the first Filipino born to play in NBA. Like, thank you so much, pero yeah, gagawin ko lahat, and then I'm super, super excited and motivated on this one. Like,
For
this
sure.
the make it or break it for me. And then, yeah, nothing to lose. Represent Game Philippines with pride and passion. Buong puso akong lalaban.
Wait, Keiko, kailan ka alis? Kailan ka alis for the US?
First week of June.
First week of June. May time ka
Yeah,
pa to really rest.
yeah,
Yeah, he really has
but
time. Kailangan mo na mag-reset.
yeah, but this whole May, I will train as hard as possible.
Dito mo na
Like,
sa Pinas mo na.
like with Coach Migs and better basketball. Yeah.
Better basketball. Tapos sa US, you wanna share who your trainer is? Or pati yung secret? Like yung, sino yung trainer mo?
Chris Johnson, hoops from Dallas.
Chris Johnson Hoops.
Like
Familiar.
trainer ni Dwayne Wade. Yeah.
Ito yun. Sabi ko
Yeah,
familiar na.
He's doing podcast din right?
Really? Nagpa-podcast din siya?
Nagpa-podcast
Kunin
din
kaya
siya.
natin yun.
Like, yeah.
Usapin ka natin. Yo, Coach Chris, can you give us an update on our boy, KQ?
KQ, man.
KQ watch every week.
Yeah, for sure. Search lang Filipinos yan.
Si Chris Johnson.
Chris Johnson hoops. And then, if magkaroon ako ng chance, Drew Hanlon, why not?
Drew Hanlon? Oh, shit!
If
Tatum pa
magkaroon
rin.
ng
Tatum
chance.
trainer pa rin.
Tatum trainer. And then, Bradley Beal trainer. Yeah.
Bro, sino nag-connect sa'yo with Chris Johnson? Who was the guy that, KQ, Chris, sino connect sa inyo?
Yung, kasi yung NBA agent is like, their companies
Okay.
is to produce players na gusto makapaglaro sa NBA, like
So kino-connect kayo.
Chris Johnson, and then yung company na yun is like magka-connect sila, so hindi lang ako yung pupunta doon na aspiring players na makaabot sa NBA. So most of the guys is from France, meron from Africa, like 6 people from Europe. And then, ako lang yata yung Pilipino. From Asia, I think meron isa sa Japan, wala sa Korea. Then, yan.
Well, on behalf of me, Mario, KQ, salamat bro.
Thank you so much.
No, bro, thank you so much for making time na nasa vacation ka na sa Batangas. Happy Easter. And I want to say thank you rin doon sa mga nagtanong. Trece, Win, Ram Cruz, Joshua, and Tons for contributing to the show. And alam mo naman, KQ, na not just Mario and I, no, everybody here will be rooting for your journey. All I can say is na we're proud of you, regardless kung anong mangyari, but of course we want the best. Always aim high, and we'll see. I hope to talk to you pag you're in the middle of your training, or when you have time. Feel free to, alam mo naman, IGDMs ko, bro. Kung gusto mo lang maglabas ng stories behind the scenes, why not? I'm always available. And guys, for all those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. This Six Man Podcast. Nico, Mario with KQ here. We'll see you all next time. Peace.